Hi, welcome back. Today we are going to see how to add a T code in a portal using custom roles and creating iViews. So let's get started. Open your portal and go to content administration and then navigate to your left panel. Go to portal content. So under portal content you have to create custom folder, and then this I have shown creating a custom folder in one of my previous videos. I will give the details in the description section. So I have created a custom folder. So for there I have created multiple iViews and then roles, etc. So for now, to display a T code, select one of the folder inside a test folder. So I am just selecting queries folder. So in that you create new template, means iView from a template, and then choose SRM transaction and give the name for the iView. Let's say ECC T code, and then give some description if required, and then choose next. So here you have to choose from template, HTML, and system you have to choose the system, and then give the transaction code and give OK. So once it is completed, close the wizard. So if you see the iView is added under the roles. Role may I have added one folder. So under the folder I have added the transaction code, and then you have to refresh it, open the portal to check whether the tab is added with the so if you see till now it is not added. So that is because I will show you why it is not been added. It is because of the endpoint configuration. So you have to create a endpoint which is the entry point. So I am giving entry point as this test. So that is the worksheet. So I am giving an entry point for the worksheet. So under that worksheet I have added a role, and then I have added iView for that. So that worksheet I have assigned to a role. So that role has to be assigned to that user. That is the reason it is not been visible. So I am adding a role to that user v underscore blah blah blah, and then select the user and then say go. So it will show you the details of that particular user. So what is it, right? Yeah, so this is the user, and then select display, go to assigned roles, click on modify. These are the existing roles. Now click on modify, select for the custom role which we created, that is star test star, and then yes. So first one is our custom freestyle role which we created, and then click add. So now the custom role is added to the user and saved. Once it is saved, we have to refresh this portal. Just refresh with the same user which I logged in. Yeah, now you can see worksheet, that is a tab, test is been added successfully. So if you click on the test, so I have created a queries folder, and under the queries folder I added iView called ECC T code. So that is now visible. If you click on, it will open the ECC GUI. Since we created a ECC transaction, so it is calling a ECC GUI. So it will pop up for the username and password. So if SSO is configured, this username password will be ignored. Directly it will open the transaction. So for now SSO is not configured, so we have to enter the username and password. I am entering the username password and say log on. So once it is logged in, you could see the details of that SU01D, that is the display of user transaction. Yeah, so it is loading. So this is a very simple method for calling your transaction in the portal. Could be any of the enterprise portal, SRM, CRM, etc. So it is very easy. In a simple of 5 steps, we can call our transaction in a portal and then assigning a custom role. Yeah, so now it is available to user, so they can see their own details based on the authorization. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, please share to your friends and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.